Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add images in Google Docs background. Okay, you can add image in Google Docs background, but there is no any option to add the images in background. But I will show you one trick that you can use and you can easily add the background image in Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I take the one Google Docs from Google Drive. Okay, so this is my Google Docs. Now just insert the image, go to the image and just upload the image, or you can insert the image. I just insert this image. Now okay, now you have to go just make as bigger you want. So I just want to be a background, so I will make it full of my page. So I just make it full of for my page. We can see. Okay, so before you make it bigger, so I okay, so just click on it and you have to change it with the in front of text option, so we can add the text over it. So now you can change the size, so you have to make it big. So I just change size as per my page. So this is my page. Okay, so now just click on it again and here go to the three dot option, go to the all image option, and here you have to go in position and you have to fix the position. Okay, just fix the position. And okay, now go to the adjustment and here you have to change the transparency. So if you want any transparency on the image, you can make it. So now just commit. Now this image can't be moved. Sorry, it is log image because I can log but people can't be logged. Just go again here, go to the all image, position, fix position on page. Okay, I already fixed this position. Okay, fix position, it won't be move. Okay, in front of text I just select it. Okay, now just come back and now you can add text over it. Okay, you can write over it anything. You can see I can write over anything. I also insert the images over it. If you want to insert, I also insert the text box. Okay, tools, insert here. Okay, I also insert the image. Okay, go to the image, you can upload from your computer or your Google Drive. Okay, you can see. Okay, you have to okay, I just select it. So just click on again this image and just right click on it and go to the uh, place. So guys, when you insert an image, so it won't be move. Okay, so if it is unable to move, just you have to change the here, just select the your first image and go to the all image option and you have to change with behind the text. Okay, now if you come back and select the image, the my main image which is what's background is sent to the back, and the whatever you use insert image, it will be movable. Okay, you can also change as per requirement, inline, wrap text, whatever you want. Okay, so now you can save it as a PDF or you can save as a Word document. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.